Hello and welcome back to Miss Techie's Corner. Today's tutorial is all about how to organize and clean up your Gmail inbox by using filters and labels. I'm Wanda Adams and I'm a Google certified trainer and educational technology coach. You can meet me at wanda@misstechiescorner.com. So let's get into this tutorial. So does your inbox look something like this, where there are tons of emails from all sorts of people, companies, promotions, social media, and you just come in because you don't have time to read them all and just maybe delete them, or you end up with hundreds or even thousands of inbox messages, unread messages? So I already have some labels, but I'm going to create some new ones and showing you how to do so in the process. So let's look at this, for example. So I received quite a few emails from this company. Most of them I do not read because I know most of them are like promotions, and they're also sometimes receipts when I book a taxi or so forth. So I will click on the email that I want to create a filter or the label for. Then I'll go up to the ellipses up here, and I'll click on filter messages like these. Then I'm going to go ahead, and because it already brings in who this is from, I'll click on create filter. Then I will click on skip the inbox. Now what this means is like when messages like these come, they're not going to come to my inbox. They're just going to go straight to the label that I created. Then I'm going to click apply the label. And in this case, I don't have a label for this, so I will click on new label and I'll title it. Now that I've gave it a label, I'm going to also click on apply to the messages that are before. So this lets me know that there are 36 other messages in my inbox that is coming from this same email address. So I'll click to also apply it to those conversations. Then I'll click on create labels. Now once I do so, if you look over here, you'll notice that it shows up here. And then even if I look in my inbox now, I can see them all, but it doesn't really stand out. So if I want, I can edit it further by clicking on the ellipses next to the label, and I can change the color. Now, I'm not going to do it for this one because, as I said, I don't really read these emails, and they're not very important to me. So let's just do one more. So I'll go back to my inbox. And you'll notice now that that grab email is no longer in my inbox because it has moved to the filter or the label that I created. I'm going to do another one. So I received quite a lot of emails from this website. So I'll go up to ellipses, mark messages like these, and then I'm going to create a filter. I'm also going to skip the inbox. I'll create a label, this time a new label because I don't have one that I already have. I'll say apply. It shows that I don't have any of these unread. That's okay. And then I click create label. Again, I'll go over to my labels. I find the one in this case, I'm going to change and add a color to it. And now when I go back to my inbox, you'll notice that again, it has disappeared. Like those emails have disappeared from my unread messages. If I go over and I click on the label, you'll notice that they're all in a folder by itself, or in a label by itself, an inbox by itself. You can do this if you want to create a label. You can call it principal if you're receiving it from your principal, or a particular person that you don't want to miss their emails. You can have it stay in the inbox. So let me show you that process. So I'll go back to my inbox, and let's say I want these to stay in my inbox. So I'll go up to ellipsis, create messages like these. And in this case, when I click on create label, I'm not going to click on skip the inbox because I want them to remain in my inbox. I'll just click on apply label. Again, you'll create a label that you want, and you will click on the matching conversation. You click on create labels. I'm not going to do it for this presentation because I do not want to keep these in my inbox. I'll actually move these out too. So thank you for watching, and I do hope that this tutorial can help you to organize and to clean up your Gmail inbox. See you in the next one. Goodbye.